Hi guys, my name is Stanley and thank you for watching my channel. So today we're going to show you how to install this super bright LED flash unit for your Canon. It is super easy to install and I will show you the various ways on how to set up for various boards such as the Henglong board, the Taigen board, and also for clock boards. Do take note that this is not compatible at the moment for the version 6 boards because there isn't such a port for it. Okay guys, this is the LED flash unit. It's SMD, so it's really small, and you basically put it into your gun barrel, and of course from the inside, and you stick it out all the way. Okay, on how to install the LED flash on if you have a BB motor on. You simply can't, because you have to physically put the wires through the BB unit and from here out onto the barrel, and it sticks out a little bit here. So the only way is I would say chop this unit. Okay, it would expose the innards like this. It will kind of look like this after you chop it. Okay, of course this will be chopped. Okay, I would use a hacksaw or grinder or something like this. Okay, I would cut it here, give or take. I would want to retain most of this part, okay, because this is the one that holds the barrel and this is the pivot point and stuff like that. So once you have cut open, it will have exposed this part, and then you can thread the LED through into the barrel. I usually would stop at about the muzzle brake area, or for modern tanks where there's no muzzle brake, I'll just stick it out a little bit so the tip of the LED sticks out just that little bit. Okay, I would then put a bit of blue tack, kind of like this, and you know, I'll basically push all I pull it out of the barrel, put some blue tack a little bit, maybe a bit more, something like this, and then you pull it back and you feel it will have some resistance. If there's no resistance, add more blue tack, and then it should hold in place. The blue tack will hold the LED in place so it doesn't dislodge when the barrel recoils and stuff like that. And also if you need to remove it, you can, so it's not permanent. Okay, so you don't have to glue it down, just use a bit of blue tack. I'll show you how to make this work with the Henglong version 5 boards, and also on Taigen boards, and also for clock boards. Okay, this LED strip has a very long red white wire, and this is the one that's long enough to go into most barrels. I tested it on the Leopard barrel, which is one of the longest, and Challenger. It fits nicely. This is the capacitor, so this one you have to stick it inside the turret quite close to the where the barrel is, and of course out of the way where the elevation and recoil would work. Usually just right behind, you put it where the recoil unit is, and just put it right behind, give or take. And of course the thing has to have a little bit of space for the barrel to move up and down. Okay, this wire over here, the blue, red and black, is the one that goes down to the board. Okay, so this fellas goes up down to the board, and on the board it should go down to the MG CN3 fire over here. CN3 plug, MG fire, this plug. Okay, if you can see this yellow and white plug, I'll show you in a minute what this is. Turn on the engine. When you fire, nothing happens. What you need to do, turn the volume down, is that you need to jump this switch over here. So I'm just going to put a jumper, or what you guys can do is that you join these two wires together. Just cut it, twist it, solder it, job done. So once you have the jump over there, when you fire, it will have the flash. It goes without saying that your BB function is cannot be used anymore, because obviously this is sticking up the barrel, and no BBs will definitely go through that. Okay, so very quick and simple setup. This would fit exactly the same into your Taigen board. Okay, again, it goes into this plug over here and it functions the same. Okay, so this is a clock board, and it will apply to all the clock boards, which is either the TK40, 20, 60, 80. Okay, all boards are the same. Basically, you plug it over here. This one is your IR battle system plug, which is the CN2. The CN3 is where the flash unit should plug in. Okay, all you need to do is do the same. Plug this in. And on the clock boards, this yellow and white wire is not doesn't work at all. You don't even have to put a limit switch over here. It will fire without the use of the limit switch. But the thing is, there is a bit of a setup. We've tested it. You need to program your board using the Sony remote control and the IR config unit or your IR battle system. You need to plug it in here, and you need to set the board to firing hull recoil level 2. I'll show you real quick how to do it. Turn off your board. Okay, turn off your board, no power. Plug this on. Okay, take your jumper. I put it on the string because easier to find, so I won't lose it. You have to plug it into the recoil servo. Let me show you real quick. S like that. Turn it on. Okay, according to clock's manual, the strength recoil, firing recoil is volume up. So we needed to flash 2 times. So it flashes 2 times, that's correct. And for you to save the setting, you need to power off, remove the jumper plug, like so, wait 10 seconds. Okay, after 10 seconds, right? Okay, firing. As simple as that. You can keep your IR config line if you're not using it. Okay, keeps it neat. So again, for TK boards, this is not necessary. You can either cut it off or leave it be. I always cut it off because it's, I like it to keep it neat. And again, this is your flash unit. See how bright this is. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's instructional video on how to install this amazing product in your tank. Hey guys, for more interesting content, do support me on my web store, rctanklegion.com, and see if there's anything interesting for you. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.